Spider-Man! Get it out. I know you're taking a video.
Oh, honey. What do you see, Caleb? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow.
Huh?
It's definitely gotten deeper.
Oh no, it just might be, the water might be deeper, the chasm might not be though.
Yeah.
That guy crossed the orange marker. Hey, cut it out. Cut it out. Mama, he's talking to you. Mama, I'm talking to you.
Hey, you.
Alright, come on.
Smile for Mom.
Did you take a picture of that at all?
Smile for Mom.